It happens more often than you think. A previous owner added a deck, finished a basement, or knocked out a wall without ever pulling a permit from the city. Now it's time to sell and you're worried that unpermitted work is going to kill the deal. Here's the reality. As long as the work was done safely and correctly, it's usually fine. We aren't here to be critical or play building inspector on your history. If a structure is truly unsafe, we'll talk about that and find a solution. We can still make a cash offer, or we can look at listing options that target buyers who are comfortable with those types of properties. We've navigated these gray area situations many times, and we know how to assess the risk and keep the sale moving forward, legally and safely. Don't let a lack of paperwork stop you from selling. We'll help you find the right path. Get an honest assessment at kclegacyproperties.com.